the best setting for your Counter-Strike 2 for your low-end PCs. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I've brought you the best settings for your Counter-Strike 2 if you have a low-end PC. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Let me just zoom in on this, and as you can see right here, this is the best settings for your Counter-Strike 2. So here what you want to do is you might want to make your boost up to your contrast, disable that. You need to disable your vertical sync too. And here you need to make your current video values preset to low. And now here under the individual preset values, you might want to, make sure these are the settings that you do. Make sure that your multi sampling anti-aliasing mode is on none. Your global shadow quality is low. Your modal and texture detail is low. Make sure everything on is low or disabled. Make sure your high dynamic range is on performance and your fidelity FX super resolution is balanced. And with that setting, you should be able to play your Counter-Strike 2 on a really smooth way, even if your PC is really low end. So yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.